All right, 7 ways to reduce costs in your commercial fitness facility. First way is use only commercial grade products and accessories. Please, this is the number one most violated and most expensive way that commercial fitness centers are losing out tremendously. It's by incorporating consumer quality products. That means equipment and products that are really built for home use. They put that into a commercial setting, and not only will those products fail prematurely, but they also need to be replaced far more often than commercial pieces do. So it's not a good idea to incorporate those pieces. I understand that the upfront cost of ownership is very affordable, but it's really very expensive in the long run. And also the quality of performance is not good. So your clients are going to be able to recognize that, and it's just not a good business investment for your commercial space. Second way to reduce cost is daily inspection. Getting your staff to walk that fitness center on a daily basis, making sure that everything is still present and accounted for, it's well organized, it's optimal, it's functioning well, is really a win and reduces cost by making sure that you're not losing money in sales, okay? If your customers are walking by your fitness center and they're not really attracted to that space, you may not know, but they may end up signing a lease or staying, if you're a hotel, staying at a different hotel just because the state of the fitness center is not what it should be and really simply could have been improved by just simply being organized. So daily inspections is super key. Third point is regular preventive maintenance. I cannot stress to you how preventive maintenance prevents the occurrence of really expensive repairs. So one example of that would be the lubrication of running belts on treadmills. That simple act of lubricating a running belt reduces the burden on expensive and primary electrical and mechanical components that can well exceed $1,000 in cost per component. So vital that regular maintenance is being performed. That will save you money annually. Point number 4. Thoughtful incorporation of products, okay? This is something that I see often. Commercial facilities adding products because they're looking to fill the space. I never look to fill a fitness space. I actually prefer a nice clear opening. I like space in a fitness center, and then the thoughtful incorporation of additional pieces, if that's something that's going to be advantageous for the facility, is great. But leaving some space for functional training is amazing, adds to the flow. Less is more. Simplicity is really kind of the direction that the fitness industry is going with thoughtful implementation, as I said. So if it's something that you've heard your clients talk about, you're constantly receiving feedback that particular products are going to be a valuable addition to that space, then great, let's go for it. Otherwise, let's not waste the money, let's not fill the space, let's wait until we've identified those items that are going to add value to you. Okay, point number 5. Preventative repair. Okay, preventative repair is different from preventive maintenance, but it's the replacement of components that, if not done, will contribute again to the premature defect of components. And again, utilizing the example of treadmills, replacing running belts in an appropriate timeline is essential to protecting those same primary and electrical and mechanical components. So premature replacement, much like tires on a car, okay? We don't want to leave you out on the side of the road with a blown tire. You're going to add a lot of liability in that, so let's replace some parts that are going to be in a position to prevent additional expenses for your facility. Okay, point number 6, remove the entertainment features, please, from your fitness equipment. Your equipment really doesn't need to have that 15-inch TV sticking out of the top of it. First of all, it's expensive. Okay, 15-inch TV on average costs $1,500 in the fitness industry. The quality is really bad. Okay, not only the quality of the clarity of the signal, but also they defect a lot more often than a regular TV does. So you're gonna have to replace it eventually, and when you do, very expensive. And then thirdly, people don't care about it anymore. People don't need that entertainment on their equipment. Maybe less than 10% of people will even mention it, but the great majority of people, and especially with the way technology is going, prefer to use their own devices. They already have the apps that they like to use, the Netflixes, the Hulus, The entertainment that they want is present on their devices. They don't need a basic cable TV attached to their equipment. So easy win, easy cost savings. If you want to have a TV, hang it on the wall. There are other apps that will allow the user to access the audio from that TV just the same, and it will cost you far less. Okay, and then point number 7, use the right service company. And by the right service company, I mean 2 things. First of all, the service company that's going to deliver on quality, actually performing those preventative repairs and preventative service that's going to prevent those expensive defects. But then number 2, the company that's going to save you on cost. And there's a substantial difference between companies that charge full retail and maybe a little bit more for expensive components, and companies that actually provide a discount, a significant discount on these expensive components. Premier Fitness Service, we're one of those companies. We save our clients tremendously on the cost of parts and service, and all those repairs that we prevent as well really culminate to an annual reduction in expenses in a very tremendous way. So if you need any kind of support, if we can help you out in any way, reducing your expenses annually, giving you some more tips and feedback on how to do that, please contact our offices. We'd love to speak with you, work with you, and support your commercial fitness amenity moving forward. I appreciate you listening. Hope you have a great day.